Yoga Revolution. Elevate your mind, body, and soul beyond the physical. However, the Yoga Revolution goes far beyond the physical aspect. It's about igniting a change that resonates deep within. Through mindful breathing exercises and meditation, you'll learn to silence the noise of the outside world and find sanctuary within yourself. This journey will equip you with tools to manage stress, enhance mental clarity, and foster emotional resilience. Elevate your awareness. As we guide you through each practice, you'll uncover a heightened awareness of your body, mind, and soul. By aligning your breath with movement, you'll tap into an energy source that rejuvenates and revitalizes. This holistic approach paves the way for a more conscious, intentional way of living. Community and connection. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Yoga Revolution is the sense of community it fosters. Join a tribe of individuals who are on a similar journey of self-improvement and growth. Share your experiences, exchange insights, and celebrate each milestone together. This community becomes a support system that uplifts you on your path to transformation. Empowerment for life. The Yoga Revolution. Elevate your mind, body, and soul isn't just a fleeting trend. It's a lifestyle that empowers you for a lifetime. You'll discover that yoga extends beyond the mat, impacting your relationships, decision-making, and overall sense of purpose. With every practice, you'll be cultivating a foundation of strength, resilience, and inner peace that will positively influence every facet of your life.